another 3D printing project. For this project, I 3D printed mask straps and shields for the 2020 outbreak that has happened. I had a lot of filament, so I figured I should put it to use. I actually printed most of this when there was a mask shortage back in March and April. I ended up printing over 100 masks and straps total. I donated most of them to a nearby hospital for the nurses and the rest to the county employees. I ended up getting my name in a book for the contributions I made, which was really cool to see. The mask straps and face shields were downloaded from the internet, but I was able to modify them to my likings. For the straps, I increased the length of them to have one more column that the mask can attach to. This would then increase the size. For the face shields, I had to change how the elastic attached to it. Originally, the holes were flat, but that made it awkward to wear. I then increased the size of the forehead mount and made holes in the side of the walls. The elastic would then go through the holes. I ordered overhead screens that attached to the front of the shield. I poked holes in the sheets using a hole puncher and attached it perfectly to the outside hooks. I was able to mass produce the straps easily, but the masks took around 2 hours each. Overall, I was glad that I was able to help out with the pandemic. It was a great learning experience on how to accurately print objects, especially small ones. Don't forget to view my other 3D printing projects on my website neha.com. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.